Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Just let me know if I'm audible to you. Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. If I'm audible, just let me know. Okay, so first thing you can see, US market would have opened now. I've drawn a line here. First it's acting as support 1, support 2, and this area is acting as resistance. We can consider this as a rising wedge pattern where market is becoming as narrow as possible. So this is a bearish setup as per price action I'm saying. So in a rising wedge pattern, if market is holding on to a range, it becomes narrow. Even if it gives a breakout from the upper level, we can expect a correction. So bearish setup is possible based on price action. But next observation that I have seen here is previously this area, it was acting as resistance, correct? Now once this resistance level is broken, this area should ideally act as support. And one more area which I would like to discuss about, I marked this zone, right? Previously you can see, let's say this was the resistance zone. Market was facing resistance here, here, here. So once this level is broken, in the future, again this area can be the next resistance in the market. That is why 1 lakh 500, that zone I have considered as the next resistance. If market wants to trap people at this upper zone, it can make a momentum towards the upside, but price action is forming a rising wedge, so potential of down move is possible. But if market decides to trap people at the upper level, we can expect a momentum of close to, let's say, 1,500 points, right? So as soon as the market is open, I'm just thinking of capturing the move. But we know this trend line is acting as the next resistance. So by chance, if market corrects, comes to this zone, maybe one opportunity towards the upside. That is what I'm looking at. Once it goes below 97,900, after continuation, only bearish setup will be looking for to try to target for people at these lower levels, this area and this area. Okay, whatever I say, is it bit confusing for you, or you want me to repeat whatever I say, right? You just let me know, because I may think okay you have understood, but if you have not understood, let me know. US market huge gap up. Okay, now this candle you see, it's not able to break this around 500 points risk is there in this trade. We know this is the next resistance. From here, if we enter also, how much target can we expect? Around 200 to 50 points. But sudden spike towards the upside, market has potential of reaching up to this zone also, right? So this is a very big move. Now since I have not looked at the US market right now, exactly I don't know what is the reason for the gap up. So I'm just thinking, should I wait, or should I place should I take a trade directly looking at this candle, because this high, this candle's low, this next candle is not able to break. It is forming some bullishness here. So what I will do, I'll just wait for 10 minutes. Okay, just because US market formed a bullish candle, I don't want to go for the trade. Even if I go, the stop loss for this trade should be very small, because we are going based on the US market opening. We are not going based on the price action setup. Price action is saying a rising wedge pattern from where it can correct. If market holds on to this upper zone, gives a breakout, then we can be looking for call, I mean bullish trade. Now little bit I'm thinking of waiting, right? There's a 5 minutes time frame chart. so that you can understand the setup better. Now I know some people would have joined the stream now. Okay, I just came after making the analysis. Maybe my mind is little here or there. So what I will do in simple manner, I will explain what I wanted to explain about the market previously. You see this line I have marked. Why I have marked this line? Because this is acting as support. And this line I have marked here because this is acting as resistance. Market is not actually trading in channel. It is trading in a rising wedge. Rising wedge, I call this because you can see as the movement is happening in the market is turning narrow, right? So the range is becoming narrow means we will consider this as a rising wedge. When rising wedge setup forms in the market, liquidity will be there in the bottom. So as per price action, market should correct a bit to remove all the weak players. Later it has to move towards the upside. Sometimes 50% correction also is possible. So I hope you have understood the logic behind rising wedge. Now apart from this, some lines I have marked here because these levels are support and resistance. For example, this area, it was acting as resistance in the past. Now once market has come out of the zone, this area is acting as support, right? So I have marked this zone. Next I have marked one range here. Now this range I have marked, the main reason is because, let me switch to, okay, you can see this upper level, previously it was acting as support in the market, right? Every time market was bouncing back. Now once this level is broken, this upper level, in the future it can act as a resistance area. Okay, that is why I marked this. Here it has been, sometimes it is respecting this area, sometimes it is respecting this area. So I have marked this area as a range where next selling pressure can happen. If market holds on to this range, gives a breakout, then I expect market to move towards the upside and try to target these levels. Or else randomly, if I plan for any trade, I might end up in trap. Okay, hopefully I've given the clarity about my view. And directly looking at US market, when people said it has opened with a gap up, directly I don't want to plan for a trade, right? So simply we will wait for the setup. If any interesting setup is there, we will try to capture it, or else we'll keep quiet. What do you think about the market traders? What is your view? Am I audible to you guys? Because I cannot see any comments here. Maybe I'll refresh the page. We can expect a sell-off. Okay. Hi sir, joined in Delta, first trade done. If first trade is done, please send a WhatsApp message to this number. Share your user ID. My team will cross check if you have opened account using our link or not. If you have opened the link, if you have completed the first trade, we will give you access to this crypto community group, right? So this crypto community group, we will keep sharing setups here, and also we will share our strategy. So everything is absolutely free of cost for anyone who opens account using our referral link and completes the first trade. The link for Delta Exchange will be there in the description box of this live stream. You can go and check it out. By chance you want me to share the link with you in this community group, I will copy and paste it here. So this is the link. I'll pin this link. If you want, you can join the group. Okay. See, based on price action, market is forming a rising wedge. Okay. Market is forming a rising wedge and it is moving towards the upside. And if I draw the Fibonacci levels from swing low to swing high, just imagine market goes to this area. I'm saying this is acting as resistance. This is the resistance zone. From here, market can correct. From this zone again, if market gives a breakdown, traps people, it can give a upside move. Even though I understand this is a rising wedge pattern, since market has removed weak players at this zone resistance, later it can move towards the upside. That possibility, is it there or not? That is what I'm trying to see right now. First, I'm just wondering and seeing what market is trying to do at this resistance area, which is 99,125. Can we expect selling from 98,986? From 98,000 here? What did 98,986? I don't think so. As of now, I'm not looking for any sell off or something like that. Market has just opened. I'm just trying to understand what the market is trying to do. Price action is saying market is on a rising wedge. From rising wedge, market usually it has to correct. But since US market has opened with gap up, market is still trying to decide what it wants to do next. I'm going to keep my view a bit neutral near this zone. Within this zone, let's say this is a rising wedge pattern. Market reaches this, corrects. From here, if it is showing any bullishness, I will try for call. Or if it corrects, take support at this zone. Again, if it shows any bullishness, I'll try for call option trade again. When I say call option, please consider it as a bullish trade. Okay. High volatile today, the rising wedge, the multiple FVG above the several resistance and high possibility for a downward move. But I see possible reversal and retracement from 99,808 after. Okay. So as of now, there's no interesting setup based on the US market opening, right? If you think about entering a trade, placing a small stop loss here, not a bad idea. If market moves to this resistance, corrects from here, if it continues the trend, you can capture the moment, right? Usually after forming rising wedge, uh, market might usually give a wrong side breakout. That wrong side breakout movement only can be close to, let's say, 400 to 500 points. So there only you will get off the moment. But still, don't want to hurry too much. We'll wait for a setup. If it is there, we will try to capture, or else no. So you know this line zone what I have marked, right? 15 minutes if I switch, you see this zone. This is the zone where market is taking support continuously. Now again market is coming to this zone. Previously this area was support. Once this zone was broken, now it is acting as resistance. Many people at this zone, even they will be thinking of market will correct below 1 lakh. But there is a potential of upside move and later correcting. That is the problem. That is why random trade I'm not entering. So hopefully you have got some clarity, and hopefully you have not taken any bearish trade just because of this channel resistance. When there is an interesting setup, we will see. But if the trend is continuing, what should we do? Now you can see this candle's low, this is not able to break. This candle low, this is not able to break, right? So if this candle starts breaking this low, maybe some kind of correction we can expect. Or else market nicely, it will start without breaking previous candle low, it will keep moving towards the upside and we will miss the opportunity. We will wait, traders. We will wait. Anything interesting, we will see. Paul Samuel, hello sir, welcome to the live stream. Kanimuli madam, hello. TikTok is, thanks for confirming it's audible. Welcome everyone. Now those of you who's watching the live stream, if you're making use of the update what I'm sharing here, then support the channel by liking the video and subscribing, right? It motivates us to make regular videos like this. Now from last 4-5 days, every day, approximately during US market opening itself, I'm coming live. So Ilan sir, hello. Welcome to the live stream. You see now they're trying to hold the market at the upper level, right? Now here also again they're trying to push the market. As long as this level is broken, we cannot say from here market will correct, because each candle without breaking previous candle's low, it can keep moving towards the upside, because many people at the upper level, they might think about selling, but market can give a breakout, right? And then correct. Just like you and I, many people are seeing this resistance level. So people will think about entering bearish trade to create confusion. It can give a breakout and make a movement. Sometime back I told this, and then later correct. So with that view, maybe I will try for a call option trade right now. I know it is a resistance area and things like that, but I'm going to place a very small stop loss for this trade. Okay, not a big one. I'm going for this first trade. If I capture the moment, okay, or else with small stop loss, let's say around $15, I will book my loss and exit. Okay, hopefully this loss is somewhere below this candle. Okay, now my expectation is the upside move is just to create confusion for people who are thinking to sell at the upper level. So with that logic, I'm trying to capture the confusion zone in the market. If I am really confused or others are getting confused and getting trapped, that I will get to know eventually. For that, I'm okay to take a small risk in the market. See, mostly based on the psychology, I've taken this trade based on the experience. So entered here, small stop loss. Bigger target I cannot place. So first of all, we will try for 1:1.5. Okay. 1:1.5 I will try. I'll try to capture this moment if possible, or else giving that small stop loss, I will exit. The most important thing is the stop loss, right? So stop loss is fixed, entry is fixed, and like I said earlier, many times this level is tested to create confusion for people without giving a breakdown. Market little momentum it can do towards the upside. So if that move happens close to 500-600 points, I will try to capture it, or else if the market takes my stop loss, I will wait, look for the next opportunity. Mostly I feel market will give this move, but it is left to the market. We will see, traders. Now, like I said earlier, market is kind of showing bullishness because previous candle high, this is not able to break, this candle is not able to break previous candle low. Like this only the market is moving. So like this only, any 2 or 3 candles like this, right? That will help me to reach the upper target. Now, if you see the stop loss also, I've not kept near this previous candle here or here. On a safer note, I've kept below this candle. So anyways, a spike or a doji candle is formed. After that, the trend continues also. My stop loss is kind of safe, right? So with that view, I'm thinking I've placed my stop loss here. Maybe you can use it for next time learning. if it is useful for you, right? So what I mean is candles like this, right? Next one red candle can form, it will come down, form a doji, take my stop loss here. Later it will be a red candle, but next candle can be green and it can continue like this. That is why on a safer note I've decided this was the kind of breakout candle here. So below this breakout candle I have kept stop loss. Now I'll leave everything to the market. Market will decide if it wants to give me the target or if it wants to hit my stop loss. It's all left to the market. Vaidyanathan sir, welcome to the live stream. See, all the logics, everything based on price action, stop loss hunting, what I use in the Indian market, what is working nicely for me, that is what I use here also. See, many people, for example, let me tell you, today I had a view about Nifty and Bank Nifty. I said Nifty has potential of giving the first target here, second target here. I'll show here. If you watch the analysis video, you will know. So my expectation was this is the first target, market will then reach second target. Okay. Now, many times how I've observed the market is, if you can see here, market reached target 1, right? Bank Nifty, it moved towards the upside as per expectation. Now I'm showing this. Nifty has reached the resistance, Bank Nifty is given breakout. And I say as per stop loss hunting, market can reverse from here. If you open the chart, Nifty, Bank Nifty chart, you can see from here only Nifty started correcting. Bank Nifty also after giving a breakout, it turned to false breakout and then corrected. So like this, I keep doing it based on my experience, how I have looked at the market over the period of years, right? So the logic, what works for me, based on that only I'm doing. Same thing I'm trying in crypto market as well. So over a period of time, here also I'll keep fine tuning it, then create a strategy based on this. Then I will share that with the community members, what works, what doesn't work. So all those things I'll be sharing for free. So the trial period, you guys know, started with 1 lakh, and then how many times I have withdrew also, right? I'm always learning from your trade. Thank you so much for the and so much and safe trade. You're welcome, sir. Hopefully, yes. Like I said earlier, this is a what? This is a rising wedge pattern. I know in rising wedge pattern, market has to fall, right? Opposite direction. Market is moving towards the upside, range becomes narrow, give a wrong side breakout and then market correct, or from here only it has to correct. But based on US market sentiment, the way how it is moving, continuously looking at this resistance or looking at this resistance, people will keep thinking of entering bearish trade, right? So when many people are thinking of entering bearish trade, market, to create confusion, it can make a momentum towards the upside. Now sometime back I told you, right, why I have placed stop loss here, not below somewhere here or here, because a red candle immediately it got formed, exactly what I told. It has a wick here, and this wick would have hit my stop loss. Later this green candle, then what, I would have been disappointed. So giving a sensible stop loss for the trade is important. It is not keeping stop loss randomly, right? So that is what it is. If you're made use of it, if you're understanding what I'm saying, okay, great. But over a period of time, regularly I keep doing this live related to crypto, right? If you keep watching this, I think over a period of time there will be a sync between the analysis what I share, the view what I share, you can relate, right? That's the whole idea of having making this live stream, having private telegram group, because private telegram group also every 10-15 minutes I keep posting my views, right? It is all based on price action stop loss hunting course itself. So price action students, stop loss hunting course students, they can relate, they can see how I am looking at the market. Not just randomly, I don't randomly enter at support or resistance, right? Along with that, we also use stop loss hunting concept and trade psychology. Based on that only we plan. We will see traders. If this movement happens, market gives us 1 is to 1.5 risk reward. I moved it to 1.7. Okay, no problem. See, any trade you want, you take. Your logic is your logic. But are you giving are you taking stop loss as per your capacity? That is the most important thing. That is what in every analysis video I try to explain to you guys. I mean, during the live I try to explain to you guys. Yesterday someone said I captured 800 points only because I keep telling traders, your risk is different, my risk is different. If you want to book, please book, right? When I see this, people book, and they kind of have that money, because main reason why I say that is because I don't know if that person has taken the trade based on their risk capacity or not. Maybe his risk capacity is only 50 quantity or 100 quantity, right? But he would have taken complete 1 BTC. If that is the case, like that, if I take the trades and show it to you, you will easily get influenced. So what is the minimal? 50, 100, maybe 200. That should be the minimal quantity you have to take. And I've already made a free video, right, explaining how to calculate risk. If 100 points movement happens, how much profit you will make, how much loss you will make. All those things I have explained. So based on that, you need to judge what is your risk capacity in the market. According to that, you take the trades, right? So that might be more helpful for you. Now to a certain extent, here market is kind of holding. That's okay. Stop loss is too far. I'll leave it as it is. If it reaches the first target, then maybe I will trail the stop loss. Now I think I enter the trade somewhere here, right? So from here, close to 300 points movement already. Like I always say, if you're not trading as per your risk capacity in this particular trade, and if you're worried of making loss, just book the profit and close. Next time, don't do that mistake. I know some people here, you were having a bearish view about the market, but I have taken a bullish trade. It is a bit contradicting between your view and my view. It is not like who's right, who's wrong. At that point of time, what I have thought, based on that, I have taken the trade. It is left to the market to decide if it wants to hit my stop loss or not. Like sir say, if market goes to 99,800 also from this zone, it's a good momentum, right? Another what? 400 points, 300 points movement. That's a good one only. Now traders, just let me know in the comment section, are you able to relate whatever I say, or is it confusing, something like that? Just give me your feedback, right? It will be, more helpful for me to uh, correct or change the way how I'm explaining things. Are you able to understand my point of view about the market? Or you want me to explain certain things for you again? Whatever it is, let me know. Now see here, there is a bearish candle. If next candle solidly, if it breaks, Again, I'll go to that pressure zone. From here, only if the buyers start pushing the market, then I'll be able to capture decent momentum towards the upside. If sellers are not strong here, right? Market is just attracting sellers, and then if it is continuing, then easily the target of 1 is to how much points is this? This points of around 600 points will be able to capture. Yes, I understand, but I want to learn how to draw these lines and be confident about it. See, very simple. Uh, how I approach the market is a bit different, right? Sometimes it will backfire also. I usually plan to do what other people, I actually plan to do opposite of what many people are thinking of doing, right? So at this resistance, many people view about the market would be, okay, market is facing resistance here, right? Or it is facing resistance here. I'll be taking a bearish trade, something like this they might be thinking. But I would say, I would see, since market is holding on to this range, how much potential it has to move towards the upside or downside, whose stop loss the market wants, right? Based on that, I look at the setup. This lines what you see here, it is very simple. If you see, not that complicated. You see previously this area how it was acting. This area there was continuous pressure here, right? So that is why I marked the zone. And here you can see, I don't know why this, okay, I will change this here. Here you can see continuously this area, it was acting as support, but once the support breaks, it will act as resistance. Previously, people who miss this opportunity towards the downside, what they will do next time when market comes to the same zone, right? The same zone, they'll be having bearish view about the market. But I will kind of change my view. Start thinking opposite of what is the potential of market moving towards the upside compared to moving towards the downside. With that view, I approach the market. When those kind of approach works, I'll be able to capture bigger movement. Or else, if the logic doesn't match, then I'll book that loss and exit. Now traders, from the time we have entered, I think around 370 380 points. If you want to exit, you exit, or you want to trail your stop loss, please do that. It's completely up to you. Very clear, sincere and humble, just a bit different risk appetite with me, which is okay. See, risk appetite comes over the period of time. It doesn't matter what is the quantity, all those things. Over a period of time, quantity will change, your risk capacity will change, everything will change. It all depends on over a period of time, how confident are you with your setup. Okay. So have a setup. Don't keep changing your setup on a regular basis. Have a setup, follow the rules, and hopefully make small changes to your setup. Try to fine tune, and don't expect to be profitable in every trade that you take. Be okay to give stop loss, right? 50% of the time you're giving the stop loss, it is okay. Rest 50% of the time, are you making more than the amount of losses that you're making? That's the most important thing, right? So traders, again, there is a continuation in the market. Whoever wants to exit, you can exit close to 500 530 points. See, I completely understand this breakout, what is happening. This is wrong side breakout, right? I've repeatedly I've told this. This is a rising wedge pattern. Ideally, market has to come down. But based on US market opening and all those things, I have taken opposite direction trade. Around 500 points movement is already done, right? So I've not placed bigger targets. 1 is to 1.5 I had kept, maybe now it is 1 is to 1.7. So risk also is not too much. As of now, it might be around 1 is to 1. That's okay. But if it reaches this target, I will capture. Whoever is worried you want to exit, please exit. It's completely up to you. Now I've explained the view, everything I've done. So in the comment section, you ask me any questions, anything that you want me to explain or anything as such. I'll be more than happy to guide you so that we can keep this live stream more engaging and not just me speaking, right? Anyone? Any doubt? Okay, before you ask any kind of questions, just want to let you know those who are interested to join our crypto community group uh, and you would like to learn our crypto strategy, you can do that by opening account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment in the chat section. You can check it out. Okay, and once you do that, you get access to the community. Also, you get access to the course and all the crypto related course which I do in the future. You will be getting access to that. Now, once you open an account using our referral link, it is important that you complete your first trade, right? Complete your first trade, then reach out to my team at this number and inform them that you have completed the first trade and this is your user ID, and team will give you access to the course content. See, Fibonacci is very simple. Usually, how do we draw Fibonacci levels? If market is moving towards the upside, we will catch what is the swing low and what is the swing high. Previously, this would have been swing low and swing high. But as the market keeps moving forward, we'll keep extending our Fibonacci. So what I did, I extended my Fibonacci from this area, right? So first this was Fibonacci level. Over a period of time, this area became my Fibonacci level. So until this area, I extended, right, up to this area. So if market is holding on to this zone and giving a breakout, I would have thought about looking for a call option trade because market is respecting the Fibonacci. Each Fibonacci levels has its own importance based on price action and stop loss hunting, right? So based on price action, it would be different. Based on stop loss hunting, it would be a bit different. Now, depending on what you want to use these levels, based on that only you have to decide. Okay, I made a video on how to use Fibonacci chart. Now let's say market started to fall from here, right? That time what you will do, you will catch the high and till the swing low you will draw the Fibonacci level and see at what levels market is giving importance. Okay, that is how it is. Now traders almost reach the target, right? So if you want to book your profit exit, please do it, right? I can't keep repeatedly saying because I don't know each person what risk. Around 600 points. My target was around somewhat 660 points. 50 points is nothing. You want to exit, please exit. I have exited and happy with that, sir. And you are explaining very clearly. I like spoon feeding. Spoon feed. Thank you so much for sharing the knowledge. Okay, fine, sir. You're welcome. 99,960, right? Very close to what? 1 lakh, which is a psychological level. Here, maybe some correction later, market can move towards the upside. That possibility is there, but profits, what you are seeing right now, that is your actual profit. Only if you book, that profit is yours. If you want to take the profit, please take it. Maybe you will not get a second chance. Can you take a shot now, sir? Since it break out in wrong side, will it come down? See, yes, it has taken breakout at the wrong side, but any bearish candles you can see, any bearish candles like this and next candle following, as of now it is not found. This is a profit booking area, not entry area. From here only market can correct, I don't know, but as of now for our entry, this is the profit booking area. So whoever has taken call, please look into it. If you want, you book the profit. Market is very close to 1 lakh. Sometimes you can see 10 points, 50 points before reaching the psychological level only market will correct. That time you will lose the profit what you made. It's up to you. Yes, I understand, but okay. For office goers, sir. For office goers, see, madam, very simple. For office goers, this market is a bit volatile. That is why 15 minutes time frame chart setup I have not discussed. But good thing about this is we are trading in the futures market. Since we are trading in the futures market, the advantage that you will have is there is no time decay if market is sideways or something like this. Now imagine this trade I have taken, right? Or let's say based on the strategy, what I thought in the course, based on that, you have taken the trade, right? Market is come to our magnet zone. From here, it is giving as per your risk capacity. If you have placed stop loss, if our setup in a day once, twice, or three times, it will form, right? This strategy. So when it is forming, every time if you're okay to take that small risk, if you take, place your stop loss. After your entry, place your stop loss, and if you want, you can let your winning trade run, right? So every no need to keep looking at the system. Maybe you can keep a target of approximately 800 500 to 600 points. So at least there you can place target and just leave it. Either it will hit your stop loss or target, like that you can decide. But if you are a scalper and all those things, you have to keep regularly looking at the market. That is there. Market exactly 99,970. From there it is correcting. Whoever booked profit, good for you. Exited with 700 points, sir. Okay, nice. See, my target achieved already, right? This was my target. This target is achieved already. So I will consider this trade as success. Okay. So, like I said earlier, I'm not yet convinced that market is ready for a short trade. I can see this candle and this candle, but I'm not yet convinced. Wrong side breakout, yes. If market, is there a possibility for it to fall directly from here? Yes. But somehow, according to my mindset, I'm not getting conviction that it will correct from here. So I'm just letting my trade be as it is. Anup sir, good sir. 700 points, good capture. Actually, traders, today has been a very stressful day. I have been traveling for more than, uh, 2 hours, totally 4 hours travel within Bangalore itself. So it has become a very stressful day. So as soon as I came, I had to do the analysis video. So I just made it short, crisp. Whatever I had to communicate, that's all I have done. No complication. Around 5 to 6 minutes video, that's it. If you're option buyer, I would highly recommend you to go and check it out, because market is more favorable for option sellers as of now. On expiry day, yes, we can get you know, a long short covering or a long unwinding. All those possibilities is there, but there is a range in the market which you need to have a look at. So please keep a note on that. Okay, so just have a look at that. In Bangalore, which areas are electronic city? You know electronic city? Traders, just give me a second, I'll be back. If you are happy with the profit, please book. Okay, market is near 1 lakh. Dheeraj sir, even you are from Bangalore. Okay, where in Bangalore? Raju sir, where are you in Bangalore? Where are you put up? Now is it 1 is to 2? Yes. Now I'm happy with the move. Close to 1 is to 2. Market has reached. That was ideally usually my target for each and every trade that I take. So that is achieved. Now traders, what I will do is I'm going to, since I'm very tired, I'm going to place my stop loss here. Okay. I'm leaving everything to the market. If it wants to take my stop loss, let it take. Or if it wants to move and reach this target, let it reach. It is all left to it. So I'll choose this price zone. So scroll. What is this? I'll go here, place the trigger price. So update. I've kept the target. So if it achieves, okay. If it wants to take my stop loss, let it take. Market is supreme. Little pressure is there here, traders. Little pressure is here. What to do? Now, if you're still in trade, I think this trade has given you close to 1,000 points move. I think you should be happy with it. Book your profit and exit. Sir, your voice is so low. Is it? Um, Maybe today, like I said, a bit stressful day, traders. That's why. But I'm trying my best to speak louder itself. Vijayanagar. Vijayanagar is too far from where I stay. Krishna Rajapuram, KR near Banaswadi, is it? Banaswadi and Manyata Tech Park, somewhere there. Hmm? Okay. Near Tin Factory, yeah. That railway station, right? Huramavu. Huramavu gate is near Hulimavu, Banargata Road. Yeah. So how much is the risk reward? 1 is to 3. This around 1 is to 3, right? See, market is giving you so much opportunities to exit. You want to exit, you exit. It's completely up to you. Almost near the target. Almost. Okay, done. From here, there's a potential of continuation also, but I'll leave it to the market today. I don't want to fight. See, this is acting as the resistance. Market has reached this level, and if market holds on to this range, next it might try to target this area, but I'm not sure, right? I don't want to take too much stress right now. After looking at this move, definitely now I will not enter call option trade because this is a resistance area. Even if I do, I will just place a small stop loss and plan, right? Somewhere here. But just understand, there's a resistance range, right? So here planning for a call option trade is a bit tricky. So simply leave the market for some time, let it consolidate, right? For example, if the uptrend has to continue, maybe market can next come to correct a bit, take support and then move towards the upside. That possibility is there. Anyways, the way how I speak today might be very low, and hopefully you have understood the logic behind why I took this trade, and you have made use of whatever update I have shared. How many of you captured the entire move along with me? Okay, if you have exited, with how much profit did you exit? Let me know. Did you exit along with me, or with how much points you captured and you exited? Solomon sir, I read your comment. You said you are from Hurmav, right? Panargata Road, Hulimav, Meenakshi Mall. That's completely life skill to learn. Kanimuli madam, I'm not able to understand what you're saying. Entire life skill to learn. Trade science. So you mean to say along with me you exited? Okay, good traders. Our market was bit volatile, but we were able to capture at least in BTC around 1100 points. It's a good day. Okay, nothing to complain. We know there's a resistance here. If breakout comes, many people might enter. It can convert to a correction later. What market is deciding? Does it want to do a flat pattern and then give a breakout? That is up to the market. But a psychological level of 1 lakh is broken. Many people would have thought about entering bearish trade here. Now many people mindset, okay, 1 lakh is there. Market is respecting the support because it's given a breakout. This can act as support. From here it can correct. Like that, many people might be thinking about entering. Sudden spike to trap them, market can create. So please be aware of that. I'm not going to look at the market after this stressful day, like I already said. 600 points. Hi sir, the brokerage charge. Everything I've explained in crypto basic video. You want, you can go and have a look. Booked 600 points as of now. I'm completely dependent on your live stream. Tried myself and met with a few losses in the process. Recovering. Okay. Losses is part of game. Don't get scared about losses. Believe in your strategy. Okay. Traders, I know another 6 minutes is left for 1 hour. But before I close the live stream, I'll just let you know there's a resistance, right? So closer to this resistance, we booked our profit and exited. Now market can attract some people at this resistance because 1 lakh. Market is above 1 lakh, right? So above 1 lakh, when market gives a breakout, many people will be interested for a bullish trade because they expect, okay, I missed the opportunity. 1 lakh can be the support. This previous area can be the support. Let me enter. But to trap them, market can remove weak players. Later it can decide if it wants to continue the trend or slowly correct and create liquidity and then correct, right? That possibility is there. So as of now, I'm not interested in call because I consider this as trapping. In future, any levels we get, market sustains the upper level, then we will see. Okay. Need to learn your patience. SMS, smart, SMS, smartness, soft, strong, life skill tool. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for the feedback. So this is my view. People are interested in call, but market has potential to correct after giving some kind of confidence for people at this zone. Randomly don't take bearish trade. Market has to show continuation, right? That is where you will get some kind of stop loss for your setup. Okay, traders, it was a good day for us. We captured close to 1,000 points today. Good to have you all as a part of the live stream. Enjoyed today. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Okay. Good night, traders. God bless you.